Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I will start to make React Native course for beginners. So if you are familiar with React.js, that will be really easy for you because React Native and React.js is so similar. And if you don't have any experience, so don't worry, I will start from beginning to advanced and I will show you everything step by step. So first of all, let's see what is React Native exactly. React Native is an open source framework developed by Facebook that allows you to build native mobile application using familiar web development technologies like React.js. With React Native, you can write code once and deploy it across multiple platforms like iOS and Android. That's really saving time and effort in the development process. What is give us React Native? Like as myself, I was SwiftUI developer, but I switched to React Native. The reason is most of times clients need both of platforms, iOS and Android. So if you just build iOS applications, you also need to find someone else for Android. And now with React Native, you can build for both of platforms. And also in the React Native, there is hot reloading. And also we will use Expo. That's really amazing because you can even run on your real device. And without any relaunch, you can see updates real time. So I don't want to make intro video longer. So if you are ready, let's get started.